So what I want to do is replace that welding cart with a welding cart right here. So this is each shelf sized for putting the TIG welder on the middle shelf, MIG welder on the top shelf. Another big upgrade with this one from the old Miller Syncro 200 is the last one. You have your amperage settings like this. You set your amperage. It had like one pulse setting as far as this time, but this one has a lot more options, and then it tells you what you're on. So right now I'm on DC TIG, lift arc, and then 330 seconds for a tungsten. So it has an auto set feature, which is really nice, and then it walks you through your own settings. So well, I've definitely enjoyed testing out the new Miller Syncrowave 212. Definitely a big upgrade from my older one. So if you guys want to pick one up, check out Welding Supplies from IOC. They have great service, fast shipping, and the best prices.